In this video, we'll demonstrate how to check the remaining free space on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to check your remaining free space on the PS5 and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. To check your remaining free space on your PS5, navigate to the top menu and select Settings. Scroll down to find and select Storage. Under Console Storage, you'll see a breakdown of the storage usage. Different colors represent various data categories such as system data, save data, media gallery, games, and apps. The white color indicates the storage reserved for system data, orange or red signifies save data, blue for media galleries, and light blue for games and apps. The total free space available will be displayed at the top. And that's how you check the remaining free space on your PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For further tech insights, visit mediamagnetguide.com.